Alright, welcome everyone. This is Mr. Catlin from the middle school, Graves County. I'm going to try to walk you through the process of logging into Digits and checking your system requirements on your computer to make sure that you can run it functionally. So we're going to get started by letting you know that Digits is only compatible with two different types of web browsers, and the two different types are Mozilla Firefox, which look like this. It has Firefox in the top. It has a symbol down here that looks with a little fox wrapping around the earth, and then also Internet Explorer, which is your regular web browser that comes with all PCs that run Windows. So if you have one of those two, that's what you need to be running Digits on. If you don't use those regularly, you need to download those, and you can find those download links on my blog. And you can go to mrcatlin.blogspot.com. No www necessary here. The website will look like this. Alright, and if you look at my August 8th post, which you might have to scroll down and find if you watch this on a later date, you'll see where there are two links for Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox free downloads. You can get the latest version of each if you click on one of those links, download it, and go through that process. So make sure that you are running one of those browsers before you get started. Once you have one of these browsers up and running, you can either go through my blog and access the Digits website, which is successnetplus.com, or you can just type www.successnetplus.com into the address bar at the top of your screen of your web browser. Alright, I'm just going to click on the link because that's much simpler for me where I'm at right now. And this is the interface that you will find once you click on that link. Now, your children have been told, or should have been told, their username and their password for this particular browser, for this particular website, and everybody in the building is the same. It is GCMS.firstname.lastname. That's their username. First name as you see it in Infinite Campus. No capitals, all lowercase. Password, as of right now, is GCMS 2012, unless your teacher has showed them how to change their password and they've been into the lab to do that. Most of my students have done that already, so they might have a new password that would work and get them logged in. If at any point their password does not work, email me or let me know, and I can reset it as their teacher. So let's say that your child's name is John and last name is Eagle. Then their login would look like this: gcms.john.eagle, and the password is GCMS 2012, unless of course they have changed it. Once they log in, this is the other main thing I want to include in this video. You're using Firefox or Internet Explorer when you're doing this. You want to check your computer settings to make sure that you are able to run everything that Digits will allow you to run. So the first thing that you want to click on if you're accessing this at home is this particular link. So click on that link and then you will see this page. This lets you know if you're ready to run this particular system. Alright, the operating system, if you're running Windows, it's going to say that it's supported. If you're running Firefox or Internet Explorer, there's going to be a check here. If you're in Chrome, they're going to say no, sorry, you need to use this or that. And there will be updates over here to the side that will allow you to do that. Pop-up blockers. If you want to test to make sure that your pop-up blocker is where it needs to be for your browser, click here. And right now mine says that it will work on this browser, so it's set. Screen resolution, it doesn't have to have a check. That's more a preference. Right now it says that mine is not optimal, but this is the setting that I like. Flash, Shockwave, Acrobat, Java, all of these different plugins need to be up to date or it will not run correctly. So make sure that these are up to date. If it's not up to date, there will be an X here, and then over here in the right you'll see an update available. You can go to their website and download what you need to download, and it's all free. Alright, so make sure that the system requirements are all green here, hopefully. That way you can run Digits successfully at home. Once you have all of that ready to roll, then you can click back on the other tab that it went away from, and you should be able to enter the site and be able to access Digits, and all of your homework assignments will be found in the to-do column. Now there will be other tutorials that will go through how to do homework on here, but that is how to log in successfully and make sure that your computer has the appropriate system requirements.